everyone. I'm Devon Andrews. I'm the Community Engagement Manager here at the library, and this is
Captain America.
Captain America. Why are we dressed like superheroes? Because we are here to show you a recipe that uses
Superfood, yeah.
superfoods, yes. And superfoods include many things like nuts and fish and things that have extra nutrients and have antioxidants that are very good for your body and making it stronger, faster, and healthier. Yeah, so we are going to make first superhero foods, and we are going to show you some fun things you can do to maybe encourage your little ones to eat their fruits. So we have a wide array of fruit here. What kind of fruits do we have?
Pineapple, banana, orange, raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, and grape.
Yeah, all kinds of fruits to use. And the healthiest, I think, are the strawberries and the blueberries, and those are extra packed with antioxidants.
We can take it off.
You can take it off if you want to. I know it can get in the way when you're doing some cooking. So we're just going to get creative and make these into fun superhero guys and gals. So what do you think we should do first? I'm going to make some blueberry legs. We're going to put the fruits onto toothpicks, but you could also use pretzel sticks if you wanted to make the whole thing edible. There's some toothpicks for you.
Yeah, well, what can we pick? Strawberries or bananas or anything on it?
Anything we want. We can get super creative. I'm going to make some blueberry legs.
I'll make this. Strawberry.
Oh, yeah. And I'm going to attach it.
Look at the head. And to make straw fruit that we use, then we have to make another one?
Yeah.
How do we do that?
You just attach it with your toothpick. Yeah, like that. That can be its body if you want. And then you can do arms, maybe raspberry arms or grape arms or something.
Well, it looks like it's a photo.
Yeah, you'll need another toothpick to poke in there. That can be its body. See, like this. I've got this guy. Oh, he's got blueberry legs. And what's fun is since you don't eat the peel of the clementine or the orange or whatever kind of peeled fruit you're using, we can draw on it.
You said raspberries?
Yeah, that would be fun. So I'm going to give him some eyes. Oh no! Part of his leg fell off. Let's see. There we go. There we go.
I want to put a banana on it. Okay, look at this guy.
Oh yeah. What are your favorite healthy foods?
My favorite is strawberry, bananas, and fruit, and blueberries and grapes.
Oh yeah.
But not this.
You don't like pineapples that much?
Yeah, or not this.
Not clementines either?
No.
What's your favorite vegetables? Vegetables can be superfoods too.
I like lettuce. That's the only thing.
Lettuce.
Yeah.
Here's my guy. Here's my first superhero. Superfood. There he is.
Here's mine.
I love it. That looks really cool.
Yeah, it's a monster guy.
Let's see. I'm going to make one out of strawberries too. If you put them together like this, check it out. It can be like, oh, like it's a heart.
Yeah, well, mine's a monster guy. This one is.
Yeah?
I made a monster guy with that one.
Oh, yikes.
Well, don't call him scary.
Oh, is he not scary? He's a nice monster?
Yeah, he's a nice one. He's a nice monster.
Now, what's important is that after you make these, you can eat all your fruits, right?
Mm-hmm. I'll sing this song to them so they will remember to eat fruit and vegetables.
Okay, what's the song you want to tell them to help them remember to eat fruits and vegetables?
It goes, fruit and vegetables keep you alive. Always remember to eat your 5.
Oh, wow.
It said, remember to eat your 5.
What are the 5?
I don't know.
Okay, well, it's a good rhyme. Let's sing it again so we can all remember it. Fruits and vegetables keep you alive.
Always
always remember to eat your 5. So our 5 can be what were the healthy foods we talked about? Strawberries,
Yep.
blueberries,
Yep.
spinach.
Yes.
Yes. Healthy fish.
Yes.
And let's say almonds.
Yep.
Okay, those will be our 5. Should we sing it one more time?
Yeah.
Fruits and vegetables keep us alive. Always remember to eat your 5. Hey, that's an Elliot original. That's a great song you came up with to help people remember to be healthy. Let's see. Should we do one more guy or girl? I'm going to do a pineapple girl.
I'm doing a boy with a boy stick.
Ooh, and look what I'm going to do. Let's see. I'm going to take a couple little pieces of banana, and they're going to be eyes, since we can't draw on the fruits that are peeled. And I'm going to stick it on there with some peanut butter.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, you can also use like marshmallows if you want. You like marshmallows, don't you?
Yep.
And you can use real edible googly eyes from the store. And let's see. Is that gonna work? It is. It's kind of weird looking. it's quite the creature. Let's see.
Ah, look at my guy.
I love it.
It's pointing very good.
Okay, let's eat one of our guys.
I didn't even finish my guy yet.
You didn't finish it yet? Okay. Well, I'll eat one of my guys. And then we'll say goodbye to the folks at home so they can go make their own fruit creations and eat their 5 to help keep them alive.
Yep. So they can fruit and vegetable keep us alive. Always remember to so they can eat their kive.
Kive? That's not a word. There you go.
5.
All right. Thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you again soon with another superfood video. And I forgot to mention, it's always great to eat superfoods, but you're watching this in February, you're in the future. We are here actually on January 1st. Happy New Year! And February, in addition to being Valentine's month and the month of love, is also American Heart Month. So we are doing this recipe in part because of heart healthiness and showcasing some fun recipes that can help keep everyone's heart healthy. Okay, we'll see you again soon. Goodbye.